Good morning guys, and welcome back to another video. My name is Josh, this is Josh W Buses and Trains, and it's another Exploring Stations episode. Today I am here in the county town of Wiltshire. As you can see on this sign, just behind me I am in Trowbridge, and I'm at Trowbridge railway station here. It's a two-platform station and it's served by Great Western Railway and managed by Great Western Railway. And actually, in terms of the place, it's twinned with Charenton-le-Pont in France and near Ostfriesland in Germany. So yeah, this is Trowbridge railway station. It's only a two-platform station. We're going to have a look at all the facilities on this station. Before we get into it, make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more Exploring Stations, silent explorations, bus, train, all the rest of it content. Let's get started. We have arrived here on platform numero 2 on this train right here, which was the service, I presume, from Cardiff Central. Now, there is a footbridge connecting the two platforms. It's not an underpass, which we love to see. Footbridges are better. So yeah, this is the 0857 terminating train. I boarded in Bath Spa, but it did come from Cardiff Central. Apparently no trains depart from this platform. There's a payphone, there's a ticket office, and there's like a bus shelter sort of seating arrangement. This is like the rear car park area down here. We have a little coffee shop van thing, which is very nice. And then a big car park, which is over here. There is a car park over on the other side, the Bath and Bristol bound side, which is where you can get your rail replacement coaches for this exact reason. So Westbury closure, 27th December to 23rd of January. Buses replace trains, Trowbridge to Salisbury, Trowbridge to Frome, Trowbridge to Chippenham. Rail replacement buses depart from the ticket office side, which is over the footbridge, and valid rail tickets are accepted on the local buses D1, 49 and X34. But this is this side station. And then, of course, like we had at Bath, we've got the generalised departures board for both platforms. Of course, 9:04, there's a Salisbury train, but that's going to be a rail replacement bus. And at 9:10, at 9:10, there's a Westbury service, which is going to be a rail replacement bus. The next service will be the 0929 Cardiff Central service from platform 1, which will be that train, which will go into the sidings and come back out. That's 165135 at the front, and at the rear, 165135 and 165136. They are the trains, and that is. So the 0925 goes all the way to Cardiff via Bristol Temple Meads, and then the 0947 is Bristol only. So it's about a half-hourly frequency on average, with some terminating in Bristol, but everything else is buses, rail replacement buses from the ticket office car park. There is a help point on both platforms, obviously, and now I'm walking up the footbridge here. Because no other trains actually come from this platform because of it all being closed and it's all being rail replacement buses, it does mean that they can just sit there for ages. Now I'm on the other side, so there is a ticket office here. Let's have a look at what we've got. There's a ticket machine on both sides as well as a welcome area. There's a ticket office though on this side and not that side, and another small car park area, which is where you can board the rail replacement coaches. In this area here, we've got the newspapers and the vending machines there, as well as the coffee shop over the other side of the footbridge. Help points located there with the accessibility map. And in here is, I believe, a seating area ticket office. Yeah, seating area ticket office in there. So yeah, there are DMIs on both sides for the individual platforms, as well as you walk in, the generalised one on both platforms. Over this side though, we have welcome to Trowbridge signage, which I don't think we had on the other side, but we might have, with the station manager and the ticket office opening times, which are quite strange. Monday to Friday, 6:40 AM to 1:10 PM. Saturday, 6:40 to 2:50. And then on Sundays, they do open 9:20 to 4:50, which is not what you usually see. The train times are here, and the toilets are just next to the train time. What a sound! what a lovely sound that makes pulling away. That's going to go up to the sidings, I'm pretty sure, and it'll come back here to take out of service at about 09:29. And then we've got a poster about the engineering work. 27th of December to 23rd of January. 4 weeks of rail work means buses replace trains between Westbury, Frome, Yeovil Junction, Yeovil Penn Mill, Salisbury, Trowbridge and Chippenham. And that's all buses from the ticket office side. Let's have a look at what rail replacement coaches are there. But this is Trowbridge. I'm going to rate it quite highly. It's got a ticket office for a small-ish station. It's got good facilities. You know, it's got everything you need. Technically, there is step-free access on both platforms. Up and around, you see that at like the likes of Kemble, etc. So if we pop out here, let's have a look. So we've actually got the near one YX67 UPY, which is actually a stagecoach, Paxton Elite I, and then we've got a Temsa, VV24, WTL, and a Simru coaches, Mercedes-Benz, Turismo, BV70, UBZ, here for the rail replacement services. So there are a fair few number of coaches in this area right now, as well as apparently a bit of work actually in the station itself going on here. So yeah, this car park is actually closed, so the other car park is being used more. Generally, the other side is another Paxton Elite I by Stagecoach and a Dart Lines coaches as well. I'm going to take a walk into the town centre. When I return, I will film a Sun Explorations video. Let's talk infrastructure of the station. I did the same at Bath Spa. I'll do my outro here with the station in my background. Obviously, it's not as good of a background as Bath Spa, but it's a very good station. It's 2 platforms. It's got great facilities, DMIs, you know, everything you would need in a railway station. It is managed. Ticket office has fairly good times. It's not, you know, that it's only open early mornings and then it shuts. It is open into the afternoon, but it's not open in the evening peak, which maybe it should have to be. Another coach arriving here behind me. This is a Dart Line coaches. Here is our I6 YT17 FAK. But yeah, it's a great station. I am going to rate it 8 out of 10. It's very nice. It's in a nice little town, 2 platforms, all the rest of it, and it has a skate park and playing fields opposite. Thank you very much for watching this video. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.